Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Richard Galaney, and today we're going to be learning about how to open your very own cryptocurrency trading account today. Okay, we're going to open an account with a company, a professional company called Newton, and get a $25 free bonus with your first deposit of just $100. Okay, if you use this link right here below, you can see where I'm scrolling here. Cut and paste or copy this link into a browser window and use this link, and you will get a free $25. Okay, so just before we begin, just to let you a little bit know about myself, I have a extensive background in study and research in the crypto market. I have been working with it for since 2019, actually. So I have a little bit of experience with it and have had some exciting opportunities along the way. So today we're going to, this teaching is for people who have never experienced crypto before. As you know, the world is changing as we speak, very rapidly, actually. And there's going to be a huge money shift from fiat currency to cryptocurrency over the next few years. And now is a great time to get involved. You can use cryptocurrency for investment purposes. You can use it for storage. You know, Bitcoin is sort of become an opportunity to store your wealth as well. So there's different sort of facets depending on what your interests are and your risk tolerances are. There's a lot to be gained by participating in cryptocurrency. So, but before we begin, I'll just let you know this information provided is for educational purposes only and is not to be interpreted as financial advice. You and you alone are responsible for your actions. The following information is to help you understand the basics of opening a crypto trading account with a trusted Canadian company called Newton. Any use or misuse of this information is strictly forbidden, and the creators shall be held harmless under any and all circumstances. Beware, there is risk in trading. Only advance and take action under the full knowledge and acceptance of your responsibility. Okay? We'll move on. Okay, a couple of housekeeping items before we go too far. You have to be 18 years of age in order to participate. You have to be a North American or have a North American phone number, be a resident of Canada, possess a government issued photo ID. So that would be, say, driver's license or perhaps a passport. Either one of those will work typically. In some cases, they will ask you for an address, but mostly I don't think they will. So click or copy the link and grab your $25 bill. Use this link. I keep reinforcing this. Use this link and you will get your free $25. Okay, so if you meet those qualifications, we'll move on. Okay, so once you click on, you're going to enter that link, you're going to get a window that looks like this, okay? And then you're going to click I have read, and you're going to click on get my free account or get my free $25, okay? And that'll get you started there, okay? So take a minute, look that over. And if you use that link right now and open up a separate window, you can watch this training as you go through. Okay, so it's going to say success. Yeah, it's going to ask you for your email, and you're going to create a password. Click continue, and then it's going to move on. It's going to say set up your account, and you'll have success. Click continue, and move forward once again. Okay, so now Newton is going to send you an email and to verify your new account, okay, information. And that's fine. So you can just click on, they'll have a link in there. You can click on that to verify your email so that they can communicate with you. Okay, and then they're going to take you into the platform where they're going to ask you some questions, You're going to need to identify and verification. So that's KYC. So that's know your customer. So they're going to ask you just for some basic information so that they can follow you. Okay. You're going to provide personal information as prompted. You're going to upload a clear photo as directed, and then you're going to wait for your verification. Most of the time, it comes within a few minutes. Okay. It can take, 30 or 40 minutes. Don't get excited. Be patient. It will come. Okay. Once that's done, they're going to probably ask you to set up uh, 2FSA multi-factor authenticator. Okay, and that's done pretty simply, actually, really, anyways. But you're going to see a window like this, and then you're going to probably want to use the authenticator app. Okay, it's on your phone. It's very simple to, you go on your app store settings, and you can grab that app. Okay, actually, they might even give you a link, so you don't even have to go anywhere. Just go onto the phone and load it. They do also offer hardware security key, but I'm not even sure what that is or how to use it. So the Authenticator app is really simple to use. So go there, and if you need to learn more about it, you click here. So you may choose. I'm just going to read this through for you so you can see. You may see this box over here come up when you do choose the Authenticator app. It's easy to use and set up and helps protect you against people who are trying to intrude into your account. Okay, it's called the 2FAS Authenticator app from Google, and you can click on what is this right here if you want to learn more about it. Download the app, go to the next page to continue. Okay. Once that's done, you're going to be able to access your account. So you're going to log into your account. You're going to navigate to top right-hand side of the platform, and you're going to see add funds. Okay, now you can snoop around through the platform, of course, before you do this, but this is basically where you're going to end up. So choose your preferred funding method. I choose e-transfer as opposed to money wire because this is like within minutes as opposed to days. Follow the online screen instructions. Now you will need to go into your banking account. So if you use Toronto Dominion Bank or Royal Bank or CIBC or the like, you'll need to go in there and set up add e-transfer user or add user to e-transfer. Okay. So just like you do for your family member or anybody else, you're just going to add Newton's name, and they'll guide you and give you directions of what to say and the information that they need, including their email. Okay. So that you can get all the information correct. It's very simple. Again, don't panic. Add them to your bank account. Once that's done, then you can come back to Newton, go up to the top right-hand corner, click on Add Funds, and then you're going to click on by e-transfer, Add Fund. Again, very simple. It will give you the prompts that you need to access and give you the right information. Okay. Now, once you've got all that done, you can see here. This is a screenshot of an account. You can see icons where you can check the marketplace and choose and monitor your holdings. This is an example only. But if you look here, when you send money into your account, it'll come back once the money is received and it'll say success. And you've bought you bought Canadian dollars to start with. Okay. You can come in here, and if you click on your holdings, you'll get to see how much money you're holding, and then you can stake. You can do some staking if you want. So this is putting money into cryptocurrency and getting an interest payment from it. Typically, they run anywhere from 2 to 10% kind of thing. It can be good, but they tend to hold. They want to hold for lengths of periods of time. So maybe a few months to a few years, depending on which cryptocurrency you um, are choosing. You can create a watch list, and click on this icon here, the market, and it gives you a list then of the different cryptocurrencies. So if you scroll down this list, you'll see 40 or 50 different cryptocurrencies. I typically focus on the top 50 really in top 20 actually, more likely. I watch 50 or more of them, but I'm only working with the top 50. Um, we can talk more about which ones to invest in later on, but if you want to get started, the very best one to choose, in my opinion, and this is not financial advice, my opinion, is XRP, and for a lot of reasons, and also Stellar. But that's up to you. You can choose whatever you want. Okay, so this is where you're going to sort of end up here at some point. And then one more screen here, we'll have a look. So this is a example of an asset called Hedera, and this is a flow chart. So you can click on and look at the chart. You can track the flow of the daily activity and that sort of thing. Okay, and yeah, so this is just an example of that. Okay, and finally, just a recap of what it is that we're doing here today. We're going to use the link below. You can uh, copy this link or type it into your browser. Either way, use this link to get your $25 for free. Okay. It's also going to be included in the window below in the description window. Okay. So grab your link, set up your account, do the Authenticator app. Okay. Fund your account, and you can start with $25. You can start with $100. You can start with 5,000, 10,000, whatever you want. But start with whatever's comfortable for you. Okay. And then choose your asset. If you want to have more information or some guidance on asset um, choice, put a message in the messages below this video, and I'll try to help answer any questions that you may have. Okay, there are some top choices, and there are some that a person would probably want to stay away from. As you know, there's maybe almost 20,000 cryptocurrencies in the marketplace, and 99% of them are basically garbage. Does that mean you can make money with them or not? The answer is yes, you can. But you can also lose big too. So you want to try to choose ones that are going to serve you in the objectives that you're looking for, which I'm assuming is to make money, okay, and maintain your principal and growth, okay? So again, here's the link below here. Enjoy trading. And if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the window below. If you know anyone who could use this information, send them this link so they can watch the video. And happy trading. Okay. We look forward to a lot of good success with you. Okay. So thanks for watching. I trust this information has helped you. And get started with your crypto journey, please click on the link again below and share it with your friends. Your support is greatly appreciated. I do thank you and appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Leave any questions and comments in the section below, and all the best to you. My name's RJ. We're clear and out for now. Okay, bye-bye.